Good morning, Orchard Hills kids. Today is Tuesday. It is the 31st day of March. Welcome to it. My good things for today are day 6, I think, of distance learning. And my daughters, Greta and Georgia, here they are. Oh, sorry, I just knocked Georgia in the head. There they are. Welcome. And making this all work. And being home with my kids is awful fun. So those are my good things. Some of your good things for today are spending time with family, pancakes, pretzels, second week of online school. Mari Vivas' dad's birthday is yesterday. Getting outside, doing your homework, playing video games, spending time with family, cleaning your room, peanut butter and bandanas. I think that person might have meant bananas. Audrey Medlin, let me know if you meant bananas or bandanas. Having a dog, Netflix. So those are all some good things from you guys. Today's work. So today is Tuesday. It's a language arts day. We just finished your good thing. I would like you to do a reading log entry. Your reading log entry for today, I forgot to put it in the assignment guide. Let me quickly open that up. Your reading log entry for today is number 14. There it is. What parts of the book seem most believable and most unbelievable? Explain your opinion and give examples for each category. So make sure that you're keeping up with your reading log. This is reading log entry number 58. And speaking of reading, I've put a link into the assignment guide to a resource for you to get some books and check them out electronically. This link right here will take you to this page where you can click here on Destiny Discover. Click that. And if you're logged in through your Google account, it might just take you there. You might need to enter your username and password without your @mytusd.org thing to get in, or you might not, but it'll take you to... once you click on Orchard Hills School, to our Orchard Hills School Destiny Discover page, and Mrs. Laver runs this, and basically we have ebook copies of all kinds of books, including audiobooks and whatnot. You can search in lots of different ways by keyword, author, title, subject, grade level, etc. So use that as an option if you're out of books at home, and to keep up with your reading, obviously. In addition to that, today you're taking a quiz. Last week I had you read The Great Stink on Scope. I'll be sending you a quiz on Google Classroom today. And stay healthy. I hope you guys are happy and well. If you're not, let me know. And please make sure that you're filling out the attendance form each day. That's all for today. Bye-bye.